There's not a manager in this league I respect more than Ryan Jenkins, that's for certain. So he sets his team up very well, and it's very difficult to play against his teams. And it wasn't easy today. But yeah, definitely the fact that we didn't beat them last season hurt. And whilst I think if we played all 5 games again from last season, we would have won a couple. How we didn't beat them a couple of times, I don't know. But maybe that's down to the way that Ryan had them set up, and he gets a lot of credit for that. But yeah, today we were probably a little bit stronger. They did have a couple of players out, but we were a little bit stronger than them, and obviously we were clinical as well.
We know Met are a good side, but I think we came here, we did a job on them. I think we beat them up a little bit, played to our strengths like we have been doing the last few weeks. We got a good result in the end.
Fi ffili roi Chris ymlaen a roi a cerdyd dros y llinell wenna I wario dros nhw. Ni ffili neud e. Mae dros ydyn nhw. Unwaith mae'r gêm yn dechrau, mae'r chwiban gyntaf yn dechrau, mae dros ydyn nhw. Ac mae gen ni cwbl o anafiadau, mae cwbl o boys yn wario allan o'i safleoedd. Just strap them on. A just wario. Just achos chi'n wario allan o safle weithiau, so yna'n golygu bod chi gallu gwneud camp o gymryd. Just wario'r gêm. Just bod yn solid.
Hat-trick for James Krall. How important is it to see him in amongst the goals again after being joint top scorer last season?
Yeah, important for him personally, and obviously we want him thriving, and obviously Noah had scored I think 7 before tonight, and I know exactly what James Krall's probably thinking. I need to start scoring quickly if I'm going to be top goal scorer at Pen-y-bont, let alone top scorer in the league. But you know, his talent and his class is undoubted, and as you know, as he gets a bit more experience and just tightens up on a few things, he'll have a great future ahead of him, and long may it continue with him scoring goals.
Bydd ni'n gwella, dim doubt fi am hwnna, ond beth sy'n poeni fi yw y ffordd mae boys yn wario ar hyn o bryd. Just pethau oedd ddim yn gweld yn digwydd o ddydd i ddydd, pethau oedd ddim yn digweld yn y gorffennol, a dyna beth sy'n poeni fi mwy nag unrhyw beth arall. Fi'n gwybod na'n neud beth fi'n gorfod wneud i sicrhau bod ni yn aros yn y cymryd yma, a heb os, like oni bai, dyna beth fydd yn digwydd.